Welcome to Easty's YouTube channel. Today we are excited to introduce the installation and operation of the PRS-G Desktop Roll to Sheet Cutter. Our colleague William will demonstrate how to use this cutter for both cross-cutting and vertical cutting. On the far left, you will find the material feeder. For this new machine, we need to install the I-shaped support brackets and secure them with screws on both sides. The necessary tools are provided. Once you fit the bracket along the chart, use the corresponding cast key to tighten them. At the top, we have the material feeding roller, which is secure on both sides with plastic conical sleeves and locking clips to accommodate different material costs. Next, let's feed the material. If you need to perform vertical cutting, we provide either a circular vertical braid or a standard vertical braid. The circular braid comes with a power roller. After confirming the braid position, tighten the upper braid securely. Please be cautious, as the braid is very sharp. When feeding the material, you need to wrap it around the material roller. Lift the upper braid shaft and pass it through the spring feeding roller, suitable for ultra-thin materials. Again, lift the handle, feed the material in, and then push down to continue the operation. It's important to know that when adjusting the pressure of the upper roller, simply tighten it and then turn it up 3 to 4 turns for optimal pressure. Once your material is set, you can turn on the machine. The main switch is located on the bottom. Next, turn on the control panel. On the right side, you will find the control panel where you can adjust the settings according to the menu. Set the desired length and press confirm, and then set the speed and the amount to cut and confirm. After you've made all your settings, press the green button to start. The red button is for pause. The entire operation is quite simple, and the cutter can handle the wide range of materials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.